Hey guys, TazManiaAhmed here and welcome to a new video. Today I'll be showing you all how to take your own coronavirus test at home. So we've got this package delivered, so if you come over here, you know, we've got all the equipment, we've got sterile kit, the swab, information document on how to actually do the steps. So what you need to do first of all, right, is I've washed my hands obviously, as you can see. Just, you know, you've got to wash your hands, very important. So first things first, you open the package and take out the swab. This will be used for both the nose and the tonsils in the back of your mouth. So obviously you can see it says open here. So open this. Okay, maybe we're having a bit of an issue opening this package. Just rip it. Okay, there we go. Okay. So this is the swab. So you got this here, and basically what you do first is holding the swab, open your mouth and put it in the back of your throat for 10 seconds. Alright, so tonsils at the back, so okay, so that's 10 seconds. And then using the same one, you put it into the nose, rotate for about 10-15 seconds. Only one nostril, so one's fine. Put it into the right one. One. Okay, that should be enough. So there we've actually done the whole testing, and all that's left is to literally you open the little swab in the vial. It's called a vial, that's what it's called, right? So you open the vial and you make sure you put the way you've done the little swab stuff, you put this part facing downwards into the water that's in there, and literally just break the top off like this very easily, and then screw it back on. I've got to go wash my hands. So firstly you got to place this into the Ziploc bag, which is this one, I believe, with this inside, right? First place the vial next to the absorbent pad. Yep, so this is the absorbent pad. Put this in here, put the vial in there. Close this. And then put it into the biohazard bag. So literally, just I always forget how to open this one. Oh, here we go. So just put that in there. Go in. Alright. So once you've done this, make sure the barcode's matched. So you know I've got my barcode here. Barcode is the same as on the front of this one. And then literally all you've got to do is close it. So I think what you do is remove this part or just close it? I literally just close it. You've got to take this part off. So rip this off, so you get the sticky part, and then close it like this. Voila! And then you literally just put it into your makeshift box. I'll make this box after because it takes a bit of time, and just send it off. So yeah, there we have it, guys. That's how to do your coronavirus test. Of course, now I'm going to wash my hands and make sure I just wipe down this little whole packet and the box before sending it over. And hopefully in the next scene of this video, you're going to see my results and whether it's positive or negative. So yeah, let's wait and see.